In a quiet village surrounded by lush green fields and tall trees, there lived five sisters in a humble house. Their names were Anaya, Meera, Sia, Tara, and Priya. Each sister was unique with her own dreams and talents, but they shared an unbreakable bond. Anaya, the eldest, was wise and caring, always guiding her younger sisters. Meera was the creative one, painting beautiful scenes of their village. Sia loved reading and often entertained her sisters with enchanting stories. Tara was adventurous, always climbing trees or exploring the nearby forest. Priya, the youngest, had a voice like a nightingale and sang melodies that brought joy to everyone in the village. Despite their simplicity, the sisters faced challenges. Their parents had passed away, leaving them to fend for themselves. Yet, they never gave up. They worked hard in the fields, shared laughter during meals, and supported one another through thick and thin. One day, news spread that the king was visiting their village. The sisters decided to host a small feast to honor him, showcasing their unity and talent. Anaya managed the preparations, Meera painted a beautiful welcome banner, Sia wrote a heartfelt speech, Tara arranged flowers from the forest, and Priya sang a song of gratitude. The king was deeply moved by their effort and harmony. He declared them the pride of the village and promised to support their dreams. From that day on, the five sisters became a symbol of resilience and love, inspiring everyone around them.